Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the exact account you used to buy the Mobile Legends subscription. This matters because subscriptions tie to stores, not the game. Once you know the account, open Google Play or the Apple App Store and sign in if needed. Make sure your device passcode or biometrics are ready so you can authenticate quickly. This prevents interruptions. After signing in, navigate to your account profile or subscriptions section to locate active subscriptions for Mobile Legends and proceed to the cancellation option. You'll now perform the cancellation inside the store to stop future billing. On Android, go to Menu, then Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, find Mobile Legends and tap Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile, choose Subscriptions, locate Mobile Legends, then cancel subscription and confirm when asked. Once completed, the store shows the end date, so you know how long the current paid period remains active and that no new charges will occur afterward. Finish by checking the subscription status and noting the cancellation end date. Take a screenshot or save any confirmation email for records. Understand why. Stores control billing, so cancellation stops renewals but typically does not refund the current period. Contact Google or Apple support for refund requests and explain the charge. If you still see the subscription active after canceling, sign out and sign back in, clear the store app cache, and retry. If that fails, contact store support and Mobile Legends customer service with your proof of cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.